Well, it started snowing. Can't really see much because it's dark yet. But we got the cows milked, pigs fed, chickens fed. Kayla's doing rabbits. And I gotta do the other pig shit and get the eggs. So we'll see how much snow we actually get. Got some silly chickens. Or stupid, I don't know. It's still snowing. I don't know what they're doing sitting out there. I'll probably put them into their house. I think it's only those two. So the goats are all cozy in the barn. Right, goats. So they're not really affected by the snow. They're just busy eating their hay. You're just eating hay. Hello, baby. Oh, he's doing a path down to my pigs. And it's still snowing. It's gonna take them a while. Dad's getting the truck ready to plow. Luke already came in twice and plowed a little bit. The driveway. That's a lot of snow. I gotta go get a bucket of hot water. He almost made it to the pigs. See, we don't like the pigs super close to the house because they stink. But right now, I kind of wish they were a little closer. And I'm pretty sure Isaac's wish is that they were closer. Oh well, we do what we have to do. How the pigs are doing. Hello, piggers. Are you warm in there? Hi! How are you? Get you some water? Dad decided to wait until tomorrow to plow out the rest of it because it's still snowing, so what's really the point? So he's just gonna wait till tomorrow morning and finish, which we did some paths just to make it easier to feed tomorrow morning and to feed tonight. It made it a little easier. Isaac's still working on the pig path. It's taken him a long time. There's a lot of snow there. I guess that's it for tonight. tomorrow I'll try to video some more. That's a lot of snow. They're starting to come out now. I don't think they're impressed. Yummy supper. Pretty sunshine on the snow. And they have some water. Probably will freeze pretty quick, but I've seen them all. They all got a good drink. So this should be good for till next time I bring water down. Thanks, Skyla. Do you like the wheelbarrow? Luna, don't knock it over. She likes to knock wheelbarrows over. You're so cute. Yes, you are. I'm trying to clean your shed out. Hello, Luna. Are you gonna help me? Okay, you're a little close. Yeah, gotta clean your shed out so you have a nice bed to sleep in. So we don't have dirty milk cows in the morning.